Hello Bruins! This video is the first in a series of tutorials that will help you to become familiar with the tools available to you in your Google Suite. As hybrid learning and online learning become a daily part of your school life, it's extra important to understand how to use these tools. School boards in Ontario make use of a variety of learning management systems. Our school board, the Ottawa Carleton District School Board, uses Google software applications. Software applications is a fancy way of saying a variety of tools that teachers and students use to support classroom learning. Here's a nifty tidbit. Gmail, which stands for Google Email, was originally intended to be used only by people who worked at the Google company. Employees liked it because it eliminated more spam than other email apps like Yahoo and Hotmail. Those employees told others about it. Eventually, the demand for Gmail became so high that Google turned it into a product that could be used by everyone. When you log on to a Chromebook or device at school, you open up access to your Google Suite. You can also access Google Suite from home. All of the applications, the tools, are located up here at the top right of your screen. See this little icon? We call that the Google waffle. It's not quite as delicious as this waffle, but it comes close. Click on this waffle and you'll see all the tools within Google Suite that are available for you to use. There are several pages of tools. Did you know? Much like the screen of your cell phone, you can reorganize your waffle so that the tools you'll use most frequently at school are easy to find. Just click and drag them so that they're at the top of your waffle. Tools you will need regularly at school include Gmail, Drive, Docs, Slides, Classroom, Meet, and Calendar. We will learn about each of these tools in future tutorials. You may be asking, why is it so important for me to know how to access and use these tools? Familiarity with applications like this gives you an advantage, not only in school, but in the world of work. In many careers, employees are expected to understand how to communicate and collaborate using a variety of apps like email, shared documents, and other tools. These are called soft skills, and people with strong soft skills are more likely to be hired for jobs. Take some time today to organize your Google waffle. In our next tutorial, we will learn about your Google Classroom.